So you might have seen our Joe's video the other week, starting to introduce you to our new Panatta Stepper. Now I'm going to go through it a little bit more in a little bit more detail to make sure that you're utilizing this incredible piece of kit that we've got new in Transform, because it's a great stepper and you are in control. The red handle, as you pull it in, that creates movement, so it's self-operative. That machine's going to dead stop. So in order for it to move, you're going to pull that towards. Now over here we've got the lever if you want to move from level 7 to level 1. So level 7, the steps are going to come out quite fast. Level 1, really slow. So I'm going to go level 4, partway between the two. I'm going to grab the handles and the steps are going to start feeding out. Now let's say you wanted to start doing some intervals, so you wanted to go a little bit faster, a little bit slower, okay? We could move that safely. Perfect. So pushing through our heels, maintaining that core brace, and then bringing it back down to stop. In order to stop completely, we let go of that handle. A Stairmaster and using this variation is going to help build up, obviously, your endurance, your cardiovascular health, your aerobic and anaerobic capacities as well. If you, at the weekend, love going for climbs and hikes, integrating the Stairmasters into your cardio routine or the end of your workouts is a great addition. So any questions about this piece of kit, but any of our pieces of cardio kit, please don't hesitate to ask one of the team, because we're always here to help you.